Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, in this session I am going to discuss with you all 2nd PUC Karnataka State Board Business Study final important questions, and this is Business Studies crash course, last minute revision and the very important questions for your upcoming board exam. Here we are going to discuss the very important questions, the sources from where you can expect the questions for your upcoming board exam. And this is a part 1 video. Kindly watch the complete video and make sure that you know all the solutions for these questions and try to find the answers and keep it in notes, maintain the notes. Please listen it carefully what I am going to instruct you now here. Now you can take A4 sheets. In that, what you can do, make heading business study 2 mark questions, make separate file only for 2 mark questions, make separate file for other mark questions. Now as you can see your first question, define coordination, try to find the solution for that and write the answer over there. Next, give the meaning of mental revolution as propounded by Taylor, find the solution for this, write the answer. What is gangplank? Very important question. What is privatization? What do you mean by objectives? What is policy? Define organizing. Write any two differences between functional and divisional structures. What is job rotation? These all questions what you can do, write the question and try to find the answer for that and keep it separate notes only for these questions. And these are the very important questions. This is part 1, remember, and in my next video I am going to release still more very important questions, that it will be a part 2. Okay, so till now what I am going to discuss here in this session, I want every one of you maintain the notes for these specific questions. Is this clear? These are the very important questions, and then coming back to 4 mark questions. So this is 4 marks questions. And my dear students, still if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this complete video, do share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. And do not forget to click the like button and comment how was this session and what video you want to make me next. Done? Good. And next, coming back to, these are the very important questions. As you can see here, we have given still more number of questions. And next 8 marks questions. And my dear students, the practical oriented questions, I will make separate video only on that part, only on the topic, and I want you have to study only those specific questions which I am going to give you in my session. That will be more than sufficient to score the very good marks in your upcoming board exam. Is this clear? Yes. And one important information I like to share with you all, the admissions are opened in our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center. Right now this year we are running only with one branch, that is Tannery Road branch. And recently we have shifted this institute to the new location. You can find the details in the Google. Okay, you can search in Google Evershine Coaching Center Bangalore, you will get the details over there. If not, you can contact to us on this specific contact number, you will get the rest of the details. The admissions are started from class 1st to class 12 standard, state, ICSE and CBSE syllabus. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck, keep watching to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes.